Okay, good morning students. Today topic chapter 4 political concept. Political concept main topic liberty. Political concept chapter name. Main concept today topic is liberty. Liberty is actually recent classes. Previous classes we will discuss about how many types of liberty. Okay, what is the meaning of liberty and what is the main difference between liberty and equality. Okay, in this chapter we shall study about the liberty. It is powers. How many types of main powers? Liberty, three type of powers there. Number one, democratic rule. Number two, constitutional with separate powers. Democratic rule, constitutional with separate power. Number three, separation of powers. Okay, liberty and freedom. These are synonyms. These are words. Which words? Synonyms. Okay, liberty and freedom. Liberty and freedom, these are which words? Synonyms words. Okay, democratic rule, so every democratic country, not every democratic country, liberty is main important of the every country. Why? So here every democratic country under the constitutional rule. The countries follow mainly which rule? Constitutional rule. So the constitutional rule, democratic rule means every democratic country under the compulsory will follow the liberty. The people of country, okay, the people of the citizen under the rule. Which rule? Democratic rule. So successful of the democratic country are successful. The democratic country is successful mainly under the liberty only. So the liberty is mainly three type of powers are there. How many types are there? Three types of powers are there. Number one, democratic rule. Number two, constitutional with separate powers. Constitutional with separate powers. Okay. Number three, separation powers. Okay. Now we will discuss about political concept liberty. The liberty is mainly manpower of the society. Manpower of the society, and the man not only one type of system. The man is social animal. Okay. The powering system, it is under the democratic rule. So democratic rule of the countries. Main important word liberty. The liberty is nothing about democratic rule. It is under the system, under the direct ruling of the system. So this democratic rule, the people only mainly successful. Every democratic country, democratic rule of the system. Here citizen peoples only here mainly follow in this type of system. Okay, the person, the male or female, anyone, male or female, the person compulsory follow the liberty or freedom type of system. Okay. Number two, constitutional with separate powers. Under the constitutional rule only, the citizens follow the freedom or liberty type of system. Constitutional rule system. Okay. The constitutional, how to successful every democratic country under the rule of the constitutional system. Okay. The constitutional with separate powers. Constitutional with separate powers. This means every democratic country under the constitutional system only working. Okay. For example, here separate powers means not only direct ruling. It is liberty, freedom or equality, justice. Okay, it is common in this system. Commonly, liberty or freedom, equality and justice. Commonly in this system, constitutional. constitutional with separate powers under the control by the liver type of categories. Next, third one, separation powers. Okay. The separation power, legislative separation powers means here this separation power is divided mainly again three type of categories. Number one, legislative powers. Legislative powers. Number two, executive powers. Executive powers. And number three, judicial powers. Okay. Legislative, the separation powers. Here the liberty is actually under the every democratic rule, every democratic country follow the liberty under the one of the method of the every democratic system. And constitutional, the constitutional main important word liberty, constitutional with the separate powers. Separate type of system there, every constitution of the country, not only India. Next to this constitution, how to successful of the every democratic country, the constitution under the directly how to rule of the government and how to formation of the government. Here total first to last means the total. Mainly total about the length of the and the part of the government type of system, constitutional with separate powers. This is separate powers. And next separation powers. The separation powers is mainly divided type of categories: legislative, executives, and next judicial type of. Okay, legislative means there are members, political members, how to mainly how to political members how to start. How to start means the political members how to appoint. Like that example, political leaders or political members, legislative members. For example, member of legislative assembly, legislative. Okay. Example, assemblies type of seats, assembly powers. Mainly appointed the elections time, duration period every 5 years conduct the elections. The elections period, election time or election period, appointed members. Which members? Political members. The political members it is called mainly, it is also called legislative members under the democratic and constitutional rule. Legislative members. Number two, executives. Legislative example, member of legislative assembly members. Every state assembly members there. The members is appointed directly under the constitutional rule. Under the periodic elections and majority of the seats, the majority of the voters selected one person. Okay, which person is highest voting system there? The voting system only mainly appointed the voting system only under the system of the legislative members. Next to executives. Executive members here like example central government or state government ministers, executive members. Okay, the executive members it is on central level. Okay, or union level. The executive members also mainly appointed directly under the duration period of elections. Legislatives, executives. Okay. Next, it is the more freedom type of category system. More people mainly wanted the more freedom. So the freedom is also wanted the under the executive members. Okay. Next, judicial. Judicial means it is law. Under the which law? Rule of law. All are equal before the law and rule of law, justice. Okay, it is also called equal justice, equality of law. The law is not only supported one type of category, it is equality. It is not only high level, not only low level. Justice is equality for all people. So this is the equal type of system. Okay, so rule of law under the justice type of system. And next legislative, executive, judicial power. The judicial power under the controlled by the every government. Judicial power. For example, in our India, only one type of judicial system there. It is called single judiciary system. Okay, rule of law under the single judiciary. Okay, single judiciary system. Okay, here mainly these are what's meant under the liberty type of categories. Liberty type of categories. The liberty type of categories, it is successful, not only easy, it is political leaders also mainly changes of the every methods. Democratic rule, it is successful of the every category, every people, every democratic country. Example, India is the largest democratic country in world. Constitutional with separate powers. Next, separation powers of the only for liberty type of category. Separation powers. Okay, it is the legislative, executive, judicial. It is common. Okay, these are words successful of the liberty type of categories. Okay, next. It is the under the some here the articles also there, 51 articles also mainly here about different type of categories. So many type of political leaders. It is clearly explained every citizen of the country how to mainly the people wanted more freedom. It is every independent country and next to every constitutional country, it is more people wanted more freedom. The more freedom and secure life. Freedom and secure life under the which system under the democratic rule, democratic principles and constitutional power. Constitutional power with the democratic principles. Okay. And next to the government. Government also mainly divided from government levels, three type of levels. Three type of levels are categories. Okay, legislatives, executives, next judicial. Three type of principle under the. These are functions of separate powers. Okay, functions of separate powers under the categories of liberty. Okay, here political concept in the chapter. First one, here mainly equality, liberty, justice, and next freedom or liberty or freedom same. So these are under the main methods of the under the political concept. Okay. So here what is main conclusion about in this topic, in this type of liberty type of topics? The conclusion about here every democratic country under the every citizen or every person under the which rule following democratic rule. Democracy under the successful of the every political leader. Okay, and next to constitutional also given separate powers. Okay, strong powers and more powers, strong and more powers under the directly rule. Next to separation powers, the government also here divided central and state government. Central government and state government here both of same use, same methods. Legislative members, executives and judicial. Okay, so these are mainly under the functions of the government. Functions of the government. So overall this is the main important of the every political leaders. Understood? Every political concept. So the liberty is the main important of the every political concept and every political viewers also. The viewers also mainly every political party and every political concentration and government, every democratic country, particularly every democratic country under the we will compulsory in this world. Liberty is compulsory under the every citizen all over country, every all over countries under the every democratic country under the main last main important of the in this world liberty. Okay, children. We will discuss today liberty and freedom. Liberty and freedom. Okay. Here mainly three type of categories: democratic rule, constitutional, and separation powers. Constitutional with separate powers also there. Okay. Next separation powers under the legislatives, executives, and next judicial. Okay. Today completed this topic liberty. Tomorrow equality. Okay, equality and introduction of the equality. Okay, what is main important? The freedom and the equality is main important. These are main important for every constitution and every democratic government. Freedom and equality. Okay, freedom it is also nothing about. It is also called liberty. Freedom and equality. These are words main important of the every democratic countries, every democratic country. Okay. Tomorrow, next we will topic new topic in this chapter. New topic equality. Under the which rules? Constitutional article, the article number. Okay. What is main special about equality? Okay. Equality is how to changes of and how to effect of the every political leaders and person. We will discuss tomorrow. Okay, students. Thank you. Civil liberty. Civil liberty means freedom of individual. Individually, we want more freedom. Okay, freedom of individual. Freedom of individual. It is called as civil liberty. The liberty is characters are different types are there. Civil liberty and next one. Liberty characters. Liberty characters. Okay, students. Here, civil liberties. The freedom of individual means here mainly wanted the more freedom of the group of countries. Okay, freedom of the more groups and individual groups and individual system. Okay, next to separation powers, democratic rules. Okay. Next to constitution with fundamental rights and separation of powers. Okay, constitution with the freedom of individual means under the constitution, constitutional separate powers, constitutional separate power and like follow the human rights, constitutional separate powers and freedom of individual. Freedom of individual. Constitutional separate power, freedom of individual and maintenance of the free and fair under the elections. Okay, and free and fair elections. Free and fair elections. So this is called mainly liberty type of characters or categories. Okay. Civil liberty means freedom of individual and group the group of peoples, every citizen, a group of people, every citizen under the wanted separate freedom. Okay, under the constitutional system, under the constitutional of the democratic country, constitutional democratic country also. Liberty characters. The liberty characters also under the system of the every constitution. Liberty characters. Different characters there. Okay, people mainly right to work, right to freedom, and right to work any place, any territory area. Next to freedom of individual. Freedom of individually the person mainly work from any place, not only one particular place. The individual also more wanted the freedom, individual freedom, not separate religious type of freedom, caste wise, different religions and gender. Okay, free and fair conduct the elections, free and fair elections. Elections time also the people mainly wanted the freedom. Like here, not only freedom means to not only people's power. It is mainly mentioned about. It is clearly given already the civil liberty. It is nothing about not only freedom. It is mainly maintains about political ideological thinkers, political ideology thinkers, the political ideology and political viewers, political concept also. So the political concept mainly changes of the democratic system. Okay, every democratic country, freedom, equality, and justice. These are common words. Every democratic country. Okay. Society, it is first term of the method. Society. There is no society, there is no constitution. So every democratic country under the directly ruling of the democratic system and constitutional. This is constitution is the main biggest of the system of in this manner. Okay. So the constitution manner under the divided of the individual and sometimes social level also increases, social level. Okay. Anti-social groups also, anti-social groups means like some people so mainly for example Marxism, socialism also mainly wanted, Marxism, socialism. This is different from democratic system, Marxism and socialism. So this is the main liberty of the freedom of every citizen of the country. Okay. Next, liberty after next character, equality. Okay. First one, completed law. Law. What is meaning of the law? Characters of law and definitions of law. Okay, and particularly rules of law, rule of law. Okay, rule of law. What is main rule of law? And characters law. How many types of laws? We will already discuss it. Second, liberty. Liberty and freedom. These are same words, synonyms. Okay, but liberty is also every democratic country main important of liberty. Liberty characters and categories. Okay, and differences also. We will discuss about previous classes. Differences, liberty. Okay, freedom and rights, civil rights. Okay, right to freedom, for example. And next, equality. The equality is also main important of what? Constitution of India. Equality. All are equal before the law. Under the justice. Rule is rule for all, every people under the equal system. So, for example, which articles are mainly mentioned about equality? and liberty and justice and still freedom. These are the main important of the political concept. Okay, these are the main important of the political concept. So the political concept, political concept, the political concepts main important of the English was political concept. Civil liberty, freedom and equality, justice, rule of law, all are equal before the law, justice, etc. These are under the successful of the political concept. Successful of the every democratic country under the political concept. Okay. Okay, students. Tomorrow, other liberty, other characters. Okay, what is mean others of the liberties characters, others characters, and next introduction of the equality, introduction of the equality and liberty of other characters we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, students. Thank you.